a moment to meet the captain of the ship, the creative force behind this incredible story. He is a well-rounded director and writer, known for his acclaimed works Maliari, Clarita, Viva One Original Series, Deadly Love, and Viva Films' Wish You Were the One. Ngayong taon, he takes the lead in directing sa pinakahinihintay na adaptation ng Bad Genius, the series sa Viva One. Sa kanyang malikhaing pananaw, handa na siyang maghatid ng isang bago at kapanapanabik na bersyon sa kwentong ito. Everyone, a warm welcome to Direk Derek Cabrito. Hello, Direk. You may stay center stage. Our very good-looking, handsome director. Hello po, magandang hapon. Bati po kayo.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming po salamat sa pagpunta sa aming MediaCon and cast reveal ng Bad Genius.
Alright, syempre maririnig din natin mula kay Direk kung ano ang kanyang original or twist base sa mga napanood natin worldwide. Okay, I know everyone is eager to meet the incredible cast bringing Bad Genius, this series, to life. The wait is over, ladies and gentlemen. Let's introduce the brilliant minds behind the deception. Meet Grace Ann Dizon, the ultimate it girl. She is popular, stylish, at may di makantayang charm. Pero huwag magpalinlang, sa likod ng kanyang kaakit-akit na ngiti ay isang taong alam eksakto kung paano makuha ang gusto niya. With her wit and confidence, she plays the game her way.
When I heard that I got the part, I just thought about how it's my best friend's favorite movie, and she also enjoyed the series then. Just to know that I'm being a part of that, I just felt really honored that I was trusted. Grace, I would say she's a very outgoing person, very kind, bubbly. She can be very energetic as well. I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to the execution of the whole team, especially with Derek. And I trust his vision, and I know that so many people are going to like it.
Here comes Grace. A warm welcome to Hyacinth Caliado. Okay, please stay center stage for your solo photo. Again, thank you to all our friends from the press and content creators. Maraming salamat for being here. Okay, thank you, Haya. You may say a few words to everybody here.
Hello everyone, kamusta po sa inyo lahat? It's nice to see you guys, and we're very excited to share this whole project with you all. So, yeah, looking forward to it. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Meet Patrick Joseph Choseco. Cool, confident, and always ready with a smile. Pero huwag siyang maliitin. Sa likod ng kanyang casual na ugali, he knows how to play the game and navigate the high-stakes world he is in. Sino nga ba si Patrick Joseph Choseco? Let's all watch this.
I was really excited and grateful na makasama sa Bad Genius. Si Pat, isa siyang anak ng one of the wealthiest country, and then, you know, I could say, medyo mayabang. He gets whatever he wants, so through money. I think Pat is a Bad Genius because he's really good with money, and he uses it, you know, to get whatever he wants. And he plays a big role dito din sa gagawin niya ng highest position, kukuha ng mga clients, di ba? He's street smart, basically.
Let's hear it for Gab Lagman as Pat.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time to be with us. And yeah.
Of course, we have Haya. Ngayon we have Gab. Hi, Gab. Hi, Gab. Okay. You may now say your seat. So how do you feel? No, kasama kayo ulit sa project.
I am very excited. I'm looking forward to working with Gab again.
Yeah, very grateful, and of course another opportunity for us to showcase what we have again. Yeah.
Exactly. One half of the cast pa lang yan, mga kaibigan. Bigatin na agad. Sino ba ang makakasama natin ngayong hapon? Meet Tristan Bangkat, the genius with a sharp mind and unshakable determination. Disiplinado at masipag, naniniwala siyang dapat laruin ang laban ayon sa patakaran. Pero kapag hinarap siya ng imposibleng pagpilian, mananatili ba siya sa kanyang prinsipyo o isusugal ang lahat?
Nung dinigit natin yung project, syempre, first nagulat ako kasi after yung series, may another project. And then, happy and grateful kasi pinagkatiwalaan tayo ng Viva na magkaroon ng panibagong work. Si Bang ay isang mapagmahal na anak. And straightforward siya na tao, and meron siyang sariling values na sobrang sinusunod niya. Especially when it comes to following rules, you know, being definitive with right and wrong. Siguro yung very pivotal moment niya na from being sobrang firm sa values niya to doing something really bad na I don't want to spoil everything to you guys. Abangan nyo kasi literal na naging bad genius talaga siya. Really excited, I mean beyond words yung excitement ko kasi it's really different from everything that I did from my past. Excited akong gawin yung mga pivotal moments niya. Diba?
Napaka-pogi. Hello, Jairus.
Ayun, hello po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta. And yeah, nasaya tayo today. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much. At ngayon, ang sandaling pinakihintay ninyong lahat, kilalanin si Lynette Estrella, ang henyo sa likod ng plano, the mastermind behind the scheme and the genius who changed the game.
Naiiyak ko sa bahay when I found out parang surreal moment, and syempre naman super grateful ko kasi this is such a big opportunity and this is my first and I'm so honored to do such a great project with a great team. Si Lynn is of course syempre naman genius siya, pero she's also very mysterious. Maraming siyang personalities in a way, and that's going to reveal as the show progresses, and I'm excited for you guys to see that. What makes her a bad genius? Siguro yung intuition niya at observation skills. Dahil sobrang matalino siya. Strategizer, planner, lahat. Pero, mabait pa rin si Lynn at still works. Of course, kasi we all go through exams, we all go to school, when we study, we meet friends along the way, and of course we need advice. This show, parang, it replicates and mirrors what it would be like for an average student taking their exams, yung kaba, yung excitement, yung dinidaanan as a student for exam stress, lahat. How would I describe my excitement for this show, guys? Hindi ko alam kung kasya sa camera or frame, pero ganun, sobrang excited.
Please give a big round of applause for Natasha Mulak as Lynn. Yeah, please say hi to our guests today.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to you all. And I just want to say maraming salamat sa oras niyo for today. And I'm excited to tell you guys more about this project upcoming. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. You may now take your seat. So yan na po, the moment you've all been waiting for. These are the faces behind the deception, the masterminds of the scheme, at ang mga karakter na magdadala sa atin sa isang roller coaster ride ng suspense, diskarte, at mga unexpected twists. Sa kwento, now let's capture this moment. May I ask our cast and director to please stand at lapit lang po tayo sa edge ng stage, and please look towards the center of the room. You may huddle towards the center. And I'm sure we're also live streaming on our social media pages. Thank you everybody who's joining us there. Thank you so much. Now let's look towards the left side of the room naman po. To all of our guests here, thank you so much for joining us. Lovely stuff. And finally towards the right side of the room, for the benefit of our lovely content creators, maraming salamat for being here. Alright, there you have it. Maraming salamat po to our casting director. You may take your seats again. Mamaya magkakaroon tayo ulit ng another opportunity for a group photo. Alright, and now that we have met our cast, may we call on Derek. The stage is yours to share.